The Springboks wrapped up their November tour with a record-breaking 73-0 demolition of Wales in Cardiff, but the emphatic victory was clouded by Eben Etzebeth's late red card, a moment head coach Rassie Erasmus admitted it didn't look good for the world champions. South Africa's 11-try masterclass capped off a near-flawless season in which they registered 13 wins from 15 tests, finishing an imposing 86.7% win rate and completing a second successive unbeaten tour of Europe. Yet, instead of celebrating the perfect finale, attention shifted to Eben's disciplinary lapse. The veteran lock, now well past the 140 cap mark, was dismissed after making contact with the eye area of Welsh player during a scuffle, having already seen red cards against France and Italy on this tour. The Boks suffered their third sending off in as many weeks, a worrying trend for the reigning world champions. Coach Erasmus said, "I don't know what I can say now that won't be controversial. It didn't look good, and I thought it was a justified red card. I'm not sure if he was provoked, but that's definitely not the way we want to end the game." Despite the blemish, South Africa were ruthless in dismantling of a determined but overmatched Welsh side. The Boks' physically, accuracy, and depth were again on full display, with the newcomers and French players delivering performance that impressed their coach. Erasmus further said that "We are really proud of the way we played. We never underestimate Wales. They kept fighting. Asenati Ntlabakanye got that big turnover late in the game, and we're glad for guys like him, Zach Pothen, and others who haven't had many chances. Their hunger has shown." The coach also took a moment to acknowledge Wales' resilience, suggesting the struggling side would eventually find their way back. Saturday's victory was Erasmus' first commanding win over the Welsh after suffering two narrow defeats earlier in his tenure. With the season now concluded, focus shifts to Wednesday's draw for the 2027 Rugby World Cup pool stages in Australia. As the top-ranked team in the world, the Boks will soon learn whether their number one status will translate into a favourable draw or pathway loaded with familiar heavyweights. Erasmus reaffirmed that the integration of young talent remains central to Springboks' long-term strategy. Rising stars like Pothen, Ethan Hooker, and Sasha Feinberg Mngomezulu are expected to feature prominently in the seasons ahead of South Africa looks to maintain its dominance on the global stage. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.